Hey everyone, welcome to the Generators Zone channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Hey there, power enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of generators and counting down the top 10 best Predator generators on the market. Whether you're preparing for emergencies, powering your camping adventures, or need a reliable backup power source, Predator has got you covered. First, we have selected Predator 13000 for the list. The Predator 13000 stands out as a top-tier option among Predator generators, offering unparalleled power, reliability, and versatility for a wide range of applications. With an impressive 13,000 starting watts and 10,500 running watts, this generator is well equipped to handle even the most demanding power needs, from powering essential appliances during outages to providing electricity for construction sites or outdoor events. Secondly, there comes Predator 5000 number 70,143 in the list. The Predator 5000 number 70,143 is a standout option among Predator generators, offering robust power and reliability for a variety of applications. With a potent 420 kW Predator engine, this generator delivers 6,250 starting watts and 5,000 running watts, making it suitable for powering essential appliances, tools, and electronics during emergencies or outdoor activities. Thirdly, we have included Predator 9500 number 59,188 in the list. The Predator 9500 number 59,188 stands out as a top-tier option among Predator generators, offering impressive power, reliability, and versatility for a wide range of applications. With a robust 420 kW Predator engine, this generator provides 9,500 starting watts and 7,500 running watts, making it ideal for powering essential appliances, tools, and electronics during emergencies, outdoor events, or construction projects. Fourthly, we have added Predator 9000 number 59,134 in the list. The Predator 9000 number 59,134 is a robust and dependable generator offering reliable power for various applications. With a powerful 420 kW Predator engine, this generator provides 9,000 starting watts and 7,250 running watts, making it ideal for powering essential appliances, tools, and electronics during emergencies, outdoor events, or construction projects. Fifthly, we have selected Predator 3500 number 59,137 for the list. The Predator 3500 number 59,137 is a standout option among Predator generators, offering a perfect blend of power, portability, and efficiency. Powered by a robust 212 kW Predator engine, this generator delivers 3,500 starting watts and 3,000 running watts. Sixthly, there comes Predator 8750 number 59,190 in the list. The Predator 8750 number 59,190 is a robust and powerful generator designed to meet a wide range of power needs with reliability and efficiency. Powered by a strong 420 kW Predator engine, this generator delivers an impressive 8,750 starting watts and 7,000 running watts. Seventhly, we have included Predator 4375 number 59,132 in the list. The Predator 4375 number 59,132 is a dependable and efficient generator offering reliable power for various applications. With a potent 212 kW Predator engine, this generator provides 4,375 starting watts and 3,500 running watts, making it ideal for powering essential appliances, tools, and electronics during emergencies, outdoor events, or construction projects. Eighthly, we have added Predator 2000 number 59,135 in the list. The Predator 2000 number 59,135 is a compact and versatile generator designed to deliver reliable power for various applications. With a fuel-efficient 79.7 kW Predator engine, this generator provides 2,000 starting watts and 1,600 running watts, Ninthly, we have included Puradator 6500 number 59,133 in the list. The Predator 6500 number 59,133 is a robust and versatile generator designed to provide reliable power for a variety of applications. With a powerful 420 kW Predator engine, this generator delivers 6,500 starting watts and 5,500 running watts, making it suitable for powering essential appliances, tools, and electronics during emergencies, outdoor events, or construction projects. At last, there comes Predator 4550 number 59,189 in the list. The Predator 4550 number 59,189 is a dependable and efficient generator offering reliable power for various applications. With a potent 212 kW Predator engine, this generator provides 4,550 starting watts and 3,650 running watts, making it ideal for powering essential appliances. There you have it, folks, our top 10 best Predator generators. No matter your power needs, there's a Predator generator out there for you. We hope that this video helps you. We will put the essential links in the description below. Thanks for watching it. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.